So I'm just doing a little practice, ready to get this TIG root pass on these pipe caps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up like this. Now I've ground these off to a 30-degree bevel, so I've got a 60-degree included angle. I'm going to raise that up, and if you can see I've got the wide angle on, so it's a bit awkward, but I'm going to raise this up to have about a 2.4mm gap, root gap, feather edge. This one is my practice, the one I just did as a practice. Looking at the root pass looks fine. And then on the important side, I've got the penetration now. The only two bits where it's not penetrated are there, and that's where I had 2 tacks. So what I'm going to do on this next one is I'm going to grind out the tacks. A little bit of a mark there where I got it with the grinder. That doesn't really matter. Pretty happy with that. From this side, this is all good, all good, all good. There's just one little bit here where it's a bit flat. Other than that, it's all good. So I think that bit there was where I was struggling when I had the clamp was on. So I think, to be honest, I'm happy that I'm okay as long as I'm comfortable. So I think I'm ready to do the real pass, but I'm just waiting for the rings to arrive now to weld the ends on.